It's late, and you need to get your HVAC control submittals done. Your customer wants them immediately, but they are complicated and take a lot of time. You never seem to have the resources and time to meet the schedule, especially for small, quick-turn projects. At klowdBUILDER, we provide intuitive software that reduces engineering submittal time by up to 90%. So the next time you complete submittals, you save time, labor costs, and meet your customer schedule. klowdBUILDER. HVAC control submittals made simple.
Welcome to klowdBUILDER. This video will review the klowdBUILDER administrative setup process. There are 5 simple admin steps. Step 1 is user management. Step 2, product selection. Step 3 is the wire table setup. Step 4 is the creation of standard points. And Step 5 is creating controllers. We begin by logging into the software. If you forget your password, you can reset your password by clicking Forgot Your Password. Let's look at Step 1, User Management under My Organization. You can enter your organization name as free-form text. You can invite users by entering the user email address. You can only invite users with the same domain name. After you enter the name, click Add User and the invite will be sent. You can elevate users to admin, and remove users by clicking the buttons next to the user's name. Now we move to Step 2, Product Selection under Manufacturers. Click on the pull down or type the name to bring up a manufacturer. Click Add Manufacturer. You can also delete a manufacturer by clicking Remove. There are several manufacturer controller templates in the database that will give you a head start for creating projects. Step 3 is customizing the wire table for the communication and I/O wire standards. You can add rows by clicking Add Wire. You can delete rows by clicking on the X. Once you have completed all revisions, click Submit. This wire table will show up on the submittal cover page. We move on to Step 4, which creates your standard points. There is a step-by-step instruction at the top of the page. Start by clicking Create Point Definition. Under Label, select the point name from the pull-down or start typing the name to shortlist your selection. Under Point Name, put in your unique point name. Next, select the I/O type by clicking the pull-down. If the point is a second wire, you can click the box and select the I/O type. The equipment number function allows you to tag multiple equipment numbers to a standard point name, such as pumps and fans that often have more than one per project. Under Manufacturer, enter the names such as Mamac, ACI, and BAPI, then enter the part number for the sensor, actuator, and other device. Then browse to load a PNG or JPEG image of the wire detail. There are 4 options to customize the point: skip bill of materials, skip point table, no ground wire, and no wire. The instructions will provide details for these options. Finish by clicking Add Part. Finally, Step 5 allows you to set up controller profiles specific to your needs. You're the only company that can view this information as part of your unique user profile. There's also a step-by-step instructions on this page. You can see the templates are pre-populated for the manufacturer selected. You cannot edit these controllers. Admin users can create additional controllers for your unique user profile. Click Create Controller Layout. There are 6 easy steps in this process. Step 1. Enter controller general information and application. Type the model number. Select the application type by clicking the pull down. You see there are several options for standard applications. Note there is an I/O module that can be used as a master controller template, expansion I/O, or network I/O. The I/O module does not generate an equipment diagram for the submittal document. Click Next to go to Step 2. Simply pick the location of the power for the controller. Note the box in the middle represents the hardware. Step 3. Pick the communication location on the hardware. You can then select 2-wire, 3-wire, or Ethernet communication. Click Next. Step 4. Select the differential pressure location. This is typically used for VAV controllers. Step 5. Enter the terminal names and numbers. Do not enter the common or ground locations. Skip over these locations. Nodes are provided in the submittal package automatically for common and ground connections. Once the terminals are labeled, click Next. The final step, Step 6, you select the points for terminal locations. You add as many points to each terminal as required. Once the points are assigned, click Save and your controller is completed. That concludes the admin setup process. Now you can start creating projects. For technical support, visit our website at klowdBUILDER.com. Thank you for your time.